Track Marshal 90. Got a bit of greenery. One of the front lights has broken off. Welcome back to another video. Thought I'd just show you a bit more around the Track Marshal 90. The bearing is going to be repaired on the final drive, so hopefully we'll get her running soon. I was going to show you a bit more around the machine. I haven't got any videos of this machine running yet on my channel. I've got a little video showing when I repainted it back in 2000, but it's not been used for years now, and hopefully now it's going to finally get repaired. Yeah, we'll get that engine running again. Move from this spot, that would be amazing. So get her out of that undergrowth. So taking a look at the machine, it's been sat here for a few years now, and as you can see the track's been split to access the rear drive. Just thought I'd show you the bearing that's gone on the rear drive on the Track Marshal 90. You can see the ball bearings have literally all come out here. So this is the one that needs to be replaced, and it is going to be done very soon. So looking forward to seeing this back together and up and running. It's the brake shoe. The links are in there somewhere. So this pin's been taken out on this ram. There's a bit of wear in those old pinholes there. So this machine has the Perkins 6354 diesel engine, and I think there was also a Ford option, and as it says Track Marshal 90, so it's 90 horsepower. We've got a bit of greenery. There's the top link. Looks like we've had some visitors in the cab. Our roof linings dropping down. Could do with gluing back up. There's the linkage spool levers. I've got a forward and reverse lever, and with 5 gears, and the steering brake levers, a foot operated clutch. Here's the throttle and the stop next to it, ignition, and a little bank of light switches. A few cobwebs in her. WD on that. The WD on that door. So just looking for some WD-40 for that door, I've come across Track Marshal manual. I think it's probably for the Track Marshal 70. Yeah, Track Marshal 70. Nice. Here's a little drawing under the road, just on the wall in the office. That's been up there a few years. Got a bit of penetrating oil for the hinge on the door. Let's see if we can make this, free this up a little bit. Slowly getting better. Here we go. That's a bit better, isn't it? Chicken. Match it open. I won't shut the door because the handle is repairing, broken off. That's a lot better. There's a nice hefty set of front weights on her. Two, 4, 6, 8, 9 front weights. It would take another one. Now one of the front lights has broken off. I'll show you the other side. What it's supposed to look like. So yeah, the starmo needs changing before she gets a run. So thanks for watching this little video on the TM90. Hopefully get her sorted soon. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in more videos to come.